Have you ever wondered how to get whiter teeth naturally at home? The quest for a brighter smile, it's a common desire, isn't it? That dazzling, confident grin that lights up a room and makes a lasting impression. But achieving it can be a bit of a challenge. Professional teeth whitening treatments are an option, of course, but they come with their own set of drawbacks. The cost, for starters, can be quite prohibitive. And then there's the potential damage to your tooth enamel, the hard outer layer of your teeth that protects them from decay. Some treatments can be so harsh they strip away this protective layer, leaving your teeth vulnerable and sensitive. So, what's a smile enthusiast to do? Is it possible to achieve that radiant smile without breaking the bank or harming your enamel? The answer is a resounding yes. But don't worry, there are natural and cost-effective ways to achieve that dazzling smile. Your diet can play a significant role in the color of your teeth. Now that might sound a bit surprising to some of you, but hear me out. Think about it. We consume a variety of foods and drinks every day. Some of these can cause tooth discoloration over time. Coffee lovers, I'm looking at you. That morning cup of joe that you love, it could be staining your teeth. And it's not just coffee. Tea, red wine, cola, and even some types of fruits and berries can darken your teeth. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. There are also foods that can naturally whiten your teeth. Imagine that. Eating your way to a brighter smile. Crunchy fruits and vegetables, for instance, can be your allies in the quest for whiter teeth. They act as a natural toothbrush, scrubbing away plaque and stains as you chew. Apples, celery, carrots, these are all fantastic options. They're not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and minerals that promote overall oral health. Citrus fruits, like oranges and pineapples, can also help in maintaining whiter teeth. They contain acids that help to break down stains, but remember, moderation is key here. Too much acid can also damage your tooth enamel. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are also beneficial. They contain lactic acid and the mineral calcium, which strengthens teeth and may help to ward off decay. The hard cheeses can also help to remove food particles stuck on your teeth. And let's not forget about water. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help to wash away food particles and prevent stains. So, the next time you're planning your meals, think about your teeth. Add some crunchy fruits and vegetables to your shopping list. Enjoy a citrus fruit for dessert, include some dairy in your diet, and always stay hydrated. Remember, your diet isn't just about keeping your body healthy, it can also help to keep your smile bright. So remember to incorporate teeth-whitening foods into your diet. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide are household items that can help you achieve a brighter smile. They are not only easily accessible but also inexpensive, making them a popular choice for those keen on natural teeth whitening. Let's delve into the science behind this. Baking soda, known scientifically as sodium bicarbonate, is a mild abrasive that can help scrub away surface stains on teeth. In addition, it creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, which prevents bacteria from growing. Hydrogen peroxide, on the other hand, is a natural bleaching agent. It not only whitens teeth but also kills bacteria in your mouth. Now, when these two are combined, they create a paste that can be used to brush your teeth, effectively removing stains and whitening your teeth. To create this paste, simply mix 1 part of baking soda with 2 parts of hydrogen peroxide. Stir it until it turns into a paste. If it's too gritty, add more hydrogen peroxide. If it's too liquid, add more baking soda. Once the paste is ready, spread it on your toothbrush and brush your teeth gently for about 2 minutes. Rinse your mouth thoroughly afterwards. Now, while this method can indeed help you achieve a whiter smile, it's crucial to note that it should be used sparingly. This is because the abrasive nature of baking soda can wear away your enamel if used too often. As a rule of thumb, limit the use of this paste to once or twice a week, and not more than that. Also, if you have sensitive teeth or gums, it would be best to consult your dentist before trying out this method. This is to ensure that you do not cause any damage to your oral health in your quest for a whiter smile. In conclusion, baking soda and hydrogen peroxide can be a potent combination for natural teeth whitening. However, they should be used with caution and in moderation. Always remember, maintaining your oral health should be your primary concern. With this simple and affordable method, a whiter smile is within reach. Ever heard of oil pulling? It's an ancient method that can lead to whiter teeth. Yes, you heard it right. Oil pulling is not a new fad, but an age-old practice that traces its roots back to Ayurvedic medicine in India over 3,000 years ago. This technique is known for its teeth-whitening effects and several other oral health benefits. So, what exactly is oil pulling? It's a simple process where you swish oil, typically coconut oil, around in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes, then spit it out. The theory behind this practice is that the oil binds to the bacteria in your mouth and removes them when you spit it out, leading to a cleaner, healthier, and whiter smile. Why coconut oil, you may ask? Well, coconut oil has been found to have antimicrobial properties, making it particularly effective at killing bacteria. It's also a tasty and pleasant oil to have in your mouth compared to others. Now let's talk about the process. First thing in the morning, before eating or drinking anything, you take a tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it around in your mouth. Try to push and pull the oil between your teeth. Continue this for about 15 to 20 minutes, then spit the oil out. Remember not to swallow it as it's full of bacteria and toxins from your mouth. Rinse your mouth with warm water and then brush your teeth as usual. Consistency is key here. For the best results, it's recommended to practice oil pulling every day. Over time, you'll start to see the benefits, which aside from whiter teeth include fresher breath, healthier gums, and even improved skin. Keep in mind that while oil pulling can contribute to a whiter smile, it's not a substitute for regular brushing and flossing or regular checkups with your dentist. It's an additional practice to supplement your oral hygiene routine, not replace it. It might seem unusual, but oil pulling can be a game changer for oral health. So why not give it a try? It could be the natural teeth whitening method you've been looking for. No teeth whitening method would work without proper oral hygiene. It's as simple as that. Our journey to a brighter smile begins and ends with the daily habits we cultivate for our oral health. Let's begin with the basics. Regular brushing is the cornerstone of good oral hygiene. It's essential to brush your teeth at least twice a day, preferably after meals. This helps to remove the plaque and food particles that can lead to discoloration. But it's not just about brushing frequently, it's also about brushing effectively. This means using a good quality toothbrush with soft bristles that can reach into the nooks and crannies of your teeth without causing damage to your gums. And then we have toothpaste. The market is flooded with a plethora of options, each promising to deliver that coveted white smile. But remember, while some toothpastes may help remove surface stains, they can't change the natural color of your teeth. So, choose a toothpaste that not only promises to whiten your teeth but also offers other benefits like cavity protection and gum health. Next up is flossing. Often overlooked, flossing plays a crucial role in maintaining oral hygiene. It helps to clean the spaces between your teeth where your toothbrush can't reach. Regular flossing can prevent plaque buildup, which can lead to discoloration over time. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of routine dental checkups. Regular visits to your dentist not only help to keep your teeth clean, but also allow for early detection of any oral health issues. A professional cleanup every 6 months can do wonders for the color and health of your teeth. Oral hygiene is not a one-time task, but a continuous process. It's the little things you do every day that make the biggest difference. From the toothpaste you choose, the way you brush, to your flossing habits, everything plays a part in maintaining the health and color of your teeth. Remember, consistency in oral hygiene is key to maintaining that bright smile. It's not about drastic changes, but small, consistent efforts. So keep up with your oral hygiene routine and let your smile shine bright. So let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started our journey exploring the quest for whiter teeth and discovered that diet plays a crucial role. Consuming food and drinks that promote oral health can contribute significantly to whiter teeth. We then delved into the power of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, two household staples that can work wonders for teeth whitening when used correctly. Next, we discussed oil pulling, an age-old method that not only helps in teeth whitening but also improves overall oral health. And finally, we emphasized the importance of proper oral hygiene. Regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups are essential in maintaining a bright white smile and preventing dental issues. So, there you have it, folks. Teeth whitening at home is not a myth but a reality, using natural and readily available resources. With these natural methods, achieving a brighter, whiter smile at home is possible, so start today and smile with confidence.